Do you think cooking skills are necessary for people nowadays?
I think cooking skills are necessary for people nowadays. First, I think cooking skills are important for people because they are lifelong skills. So, if we have cooking skills, we can do well in our lives. Therefore, I think cooking skills benefits everyone in the long time. Second,
Long time? Long time? 그런 말 없었는데?
long run.
Okay.
Second,
Mhm.
we can save a lot of money if we cook at home. Since living expenses are high and everything is expensive, I think eating out costs too much.
Mhm.
So,
So what should we do? Should we be careful?
We should be careful when spending money.
Mhm.
Lastly, since health is a big issue these days and people are paying more attention to it, I think we need to eat healthy food by cooking at home. Then we can stay fit and live healthy lives. For these reasons, I think cooking skills are necessary for people nowadays.
Okay, good.